Advantages of black furniture. Dear friends, there are many advantages of choosing black furniture for your interior. You can choose black furniture for your living room, dining room, and even bedroom. In this video we explain to you the advantages of black furniture. Advantages of black furniture for your living room. Black stands out, especially in a living room where a warm and light color palette dominates. Therefore, choose a black statement piece as a showstopper in your interior. From large dark lounge sofa to an amazing side table. Our all-time favorite, a black cabinet. A variant with striking doors or a large black sideboard with compartments. You can style this endlessly with your favorite decoration. Items with a special meaning, trendy must-haves and soft decorative cushions. Black furniture is stain-proof. If you choose black furniture, chances are you won't be bothered by all kinds of stains. Because on an item that is black in color, those fingerprints and other traces are much less noticeable. And that has its advantages, especially with kids at home. If you choose a black sofa or dark dining room chairs, you can buy eco-proof stain protector to keep your furniture in good condition. Timeless interior. Black is never out of style. So, if you choose black, you can be sure that you are always following the latest trends. The black dining tables and black coffee tables have also been at the top of the wish lists of interior shoppers for years, for a timeless interior. Especially if you go for the oak variant, you know that you will never have to look for a replacement again. Mix black with other colors. Another reason why black is timeless, is that black interior items blend easily with other colors in the room. Do you like yellow and gold tones? Or royal blue mixed with purple? Prefer mint green with old pink? It all gets more contrast and becomes a lot more elegant when you mix these colors with black. It's nice if you're ready for a different accent color in your home after a while, because you can simply keep your black color base. Black is cozy. It may not be the first thing you think of when you hear black, but did you know that black creates a very intimate atmosphere in your home? Adding a dark color palette instantly makes large living spaces feel cozier. And that is what you want to achieve in your living room. Place a dark sofa in combination with a rectangular rug in the same shade. If you want to go even bigger, you can also paint the walls in a dark colors like emerald green, ruby red, or deep dark blue. Black creates a peaceful interior. If you want more peace in your interior, black furniture is the answer. The trick is to create more unity, and that works best by always having the same color come back in different places in the house. But that same color sometimes turns out not to be the same once all your furniture is in the room. It is possible that the wood tones differ slightly from each other. Or that those decorative cushions are not the same blue as the blue of your sofa. You don't have this problem with black. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.